From there, we go to organ transplant. Give me some of the organs that can be transplanted. You know what organ transplant is? It's a you remove a defective what? Organ, and you replace with a what? A healthy one. How many people do you know have, not even how many people. Give me examples of organs that can be removed. Yes? Yes, kidney. Yes, kidney all the time. Yes. Another organ? Liver. Yes, liver. But you get a part of it. A friend of mine did it. You get a small part. You get the person who's healthy, a small part of the liver is cut, and then it is done what? It is not replaced. It is attached to the other persons, and then it grows and becomes huge on the other person. You know when you eat some. You know when people talk about drugs. Why drugs are usually, you are told they are bad, they start killing you, is because after you take something harsh or a drug, your liver does what? The way the doctors were explaining, it does what? It like shrinks, right? It shrinks. It becomes very thin and tiny like that. And then whatever it's supposed to do, pump, whatever it doesn't do, and then it start growing back. Growing back. Now, because now you have, because of the coke, the bad drugs, it keeps on shrinking all the time, so it cannot go back. Cannot go back to its whatever. I don't know. It's a medical thing. That's how we were being explained. So if someone needs a liver transplant, yes, they cut a small piece of your liver and then they give it to the other person, and then it grows for them too. That's how the doctors explained it. Yes. Even the other day in South Africa, it was in the newspaper. Yes, your organs were also transplanted. Your private part was Yes. Yes. Am I lying? Go Google. Why would I lie? What intention do I have? What benefits? The first successful one happened in South Africa. Why would I lie? It was in the first page of the newspaper. So go Google. Or you can even tell a teacher to Google for you. And you read before our next lesson.